Pum ba pum 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 ba pum ba pum ba da 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 pew pew pew.
Both my gifts from my parents this year were from Van
Come
Cleef.
jewelry shopping with me.
Bulgari flew us out to Italy.
My dad recently bought my mom a new car for their anniversary.
Come spend the afternoon at Hermes with me.
Unboxed the most stunning piece of high jewelry with me.
$22 million in 3 fucking hours!
Tunlaia chu RichTok influencer tia an Chanchin Becca Bloom hi alar vit hle maya ama hi lo mel shiat to kanom karinga chuti ruala la mel shiat velem lo kanom takin a Chanchin tlem kan soi masang Becca Bloom aming diktak Rebecca ma hi chung ka hausa turu tak maya changin alo seiliana anule pate Simon Yaming Male Heidi Chaute hi software company Camelot Information Systems muchuak tu te ni in ama Becca hi finance industry a thokmek bokani kumsang hi somni panga kumtir lama Becca hian TikTok account ron siam chan ve in zan khat thil thua aron lar ngal loi mai ni a TikTok account a hian anun dan hausatak nuam sa maite a in cheina a thuam in bel to tak tak te aran vul zo te le ui te te atilang china chu chu alar pui ni deuh ber followers po million thum chuanga nei der to ni Ederton California Salian ni in anule pa te hi tekle real estate entrepreneur thotling tak an ni thu Becca hian a soilang to a nima sela a chung te sum tho chwa ringin a khosak ngai lo thu a fence ne na chiang takin a soilang ani August ni somni pariat sang ni somni panga khan hun rei tak a kop pui lo ni to software engineer Google a thokmek David Ponel ne ro pui takin Lake Como Villa Balbiano Italia anin neya anin nei lom na ringot po hi soi hat thamani ole tuna chuang kan topic tak tak alu tang o
Paisa lung lu rang kacak rong hu tam tak lo thin na tam tak le private jata jin kwalte atak krama lo chang ro se TikToker house Becca Bloom ang hini kirvero
Ole RichTok anti TikTok mi hausa version ti mayang hausa deu hawina an lifestyle until ti chinturu tak tak until layman to tak tak te anti lan na video te env china ni chuan tunge Becca Bloom chu ishange in karing RichTok lalnu tia soi Becca Bloom videos te tuntum video a chuan kan en ho don ani amu nam don mak tia ka ho turin ilawin ring don ya buiviawang US a po kho hausa ber pola a cheng china le pai lian tham tak kan soidon mo din hun san lam I mu phak ngai lo tur nang le ke na mu mang le suang to na ramba ka kan mu ve ngai lo tur din hun sang fal mai mo hetiang ang din hun hi chu bathroom a iluta imong bong hute fir na tin iwasil ang vel kha anun chu sum le tangka hlirin a hwal vel ani deuh ber mai a bek nei te po price te ka number digit atam thim ngang ma se tiang zat sum nei tan chuan engwangin nge a leilowang ni ole video masaber en photang
Come jewelry shopping with me.
Bulgari flew us out to Italy to look at their newly unveiled collection, Polychroma. They left us some goodies in our hotel.
engit ti a thil soi kha tong kam ka shat to chan ala to berang hei
Some French toast for breakfast, did a quick walk on the treadmill before heading to the high jewelry showroom.
Upon arrival,
chiani le mi retirement poisa khol zong zong zat hu iba nai buna ni ringot alom le Antarctica vur khon tol mun thuma thena mun khat vel chu iban reka a omani ringot
Escorted by their team through the emerald, ruby, and sapphire rooms.
And
I went
kha
to the
kha.
private room. Next, I tried on the Chronos Legacy Centaur, which featured an 11.92 carat emerald. I thought these ones were pretty cool because they use actual ancient Rome coins and this super thin watch. Before touring the sapphires, we stumbled across this VR room.
finally we were escorted to the private room to try on all the pieces that caught my eye.
You see these
eng thil nge ni ngai engi kha kha ataka ang lo alemani shim oi eng zat man nge ni reng thwami pugu gula hanzot ngalte then khata hian celestial mosaic van lam thil dar thalang moile sai lungwar them ilova cheimo cosmic vaults plus necklace alai taka karat za ai tamso na omani om zia po ka thiam nei noi lowe a chuan a collection hi somruk chuang ni in millionaire pieces ti ani amal theu hian dollar million man chuang vek ni in oh my god tuna kan en mek hi makta duai chuang man thi ni hi oh makta duai chuang man thi en mai maya
clouds on the pendant, they were actually removable earrings and you can wear them together.
enga bengbe la khak thei chia a
I wanted to show you guys this hidden treasures bracelet with a detachable earrings. It reminded me of my
Engi ko Mermaid Princess Ariel taknya pon yang kain bel palo. Din muna vain ang law teve male.
Favorite book, The Rainbow Fish. One of the snake necklaces I tried on was actually a convertible choker that doubled as a watch. After the showroom, we headed to dinner. David wants me to clarify that this was my bag, not his. We had a spritz before getting seated for dinner. My favorite dish was this risotto.
Okay, I'm gonna quickly shut up and let this next performance speak for itself.
And that concludes our side quest. Happy was so excited to see us home.
He thalak hi han enteu. Emerald kapui ngonga I orani hi chiani. Kadam chunga kapui sa tho pon alay palawang. Chale mai. Ropi kap mai.
One of David's hobbies is hiking, and I've never done it with him before, but
Steve
we're gonna go on our
Irwin
first ever
inspire
hiking day. The
Itom no
inspiration for
hak
my
lai
outfit
ka
today
shal
is Steve
tala
Irwin,
chuan
guy
to
who,
mi
like,
chuan
does the
Steve
crocodiles.
Irwin ron le tir le dan zong chuak tu research ti mi din le thayang chu tiang vel tu ni ka soyam jeng cha thiam em a hausak dan level a dang zar mai.
I got this new hat specifically for our outdoor adventure. It's from Loewe.
Louis V bucket het ikuma heta ithom no hak zong zong hi bel khomin cheng noi chuang manani yang chu chuan Van Cleef iban re ka ibun boka.
I was told there's gonna be birds and different types of cows on this mountain, so I brought these binoculars to observe them from afar. Top and bottom set are from Maj. For jewelry, I'm wearing the everyday stack, and the Aura ring is fully charged for today's adventures. Shoes, I'm wearing these Prada sneakers. My entire look is camouflage because I'm trying to be as stealthy as possible, not get spotted. For my bag, we are just wearing this basic black backpack, packed full with snacks.
Wangay nilulwe Chanel ani ka Chanel backpack in a big Til pangay lilo mother father. Next, and kill nga Miss Becca Bloom hiyan atile don en leang.
Plate my brunch with me. Our chef made a combination of Chinese and Mediterranean cuisine today.
Ay siyam tubig chef anay tlapti siya rin nila.
We have these little shrimp dumplings, which I'm gonna get a couple of. I don't eat pork, so
Kepo alu dale an hang main chok ay kamchi.
these little pork buns for me without the actual pork inside. The main dish is this grilled lemon lamb chop, which I think I have to use my hands for.
Alat del nem ren lo
My sister got me this cute little pearl spoon recently. She made like 20 of these Portuguese tarts. They're so good, so I'm gonna add some as dessert as well. Plate my brunch.
Yo bro, kaka azing karchole chuncho inkara a ayanya. Ay tui bikle may. Caviar po sauce angin mangmak may mo. Caviar hi la shilaw kanom takin sangat tui man tawchi. Mihaw sa haw ay chin. A taste ka shilaw. Katem pave don chuang law. Baka I hate seafood.
Cat's turning 5 today, and we're throwing him a little birthday party. I've even pulled out my cat dress for this very special occasion.
Becca, law nga chalok te in kol tutur. Emo now dangi mamo ni chuan adopt thayran kani o. Idule ita angin min ngay thayang. Inaw turata na nila pon siya loang te pon. Itil ay ang ning noy tal ay vetur pon. Caviar tlim tine.
In fact, when he was born, people were still paying $500,000 for pixelated NFTs of apes. Not too soon. In terms of dishes, we have this little koi cake filled with lamb, this turkey leg, which I think is so cute, and then lastly, we have this bubble cake. Now, he's not going to eat all of this, but I did want him to have options. We're also going to share some tuna and salmon sushi. He's going to have the top sashimi part, and I'm going to have the rice. This is life.
Yo, azote pon cho jishang panganay niya. Kadam chunga ka choy to zong ay pon at tui zo kang.
I also got him these beef candies, as well as these lamb candies, which smell really intense.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Go show.
Azote hiyan zote korbik te hain 5-star cho ay ni chu. Azote hi ke ay pon nung nuam sa zok. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Oh, hey, kung ay akay le don tak.
With me. Our chef made us these omelets, minus spinach and mushroom, grilled tomatoes. I've been obsessed with these little sugar cookies. This is what they look like on the inside.
Obsessed with it.
Basil and mozzarella, which has been 90% of my diet this trip. Peach, because they're in season, and a fig. She also made a charcuterie board, but the only thing I can have is this turkey, because I don't eat pork. Da-da-da. Cheers, bye.
anin nei zung bun len turu zia hi in nei zung bun tak nyang poka nei hleinem le esteroid lunglu hlom khovela ron tla te po angalom atlero in bel dang te po hi noi chuang man hlir poisa hian buaina ching fel theilon ti hi ka thiam theilo tuna ka buaina nei zong zong hi poisa chin fel thei vek ani avain Christian point of view lo atanga thlir phei chuan sumle pa hian inge mot chena chuan himna hi min pe thei chiang lu tuk ma se atluan tling lo thunga next.
I just realized I've never actually tried on my wedding necklace, so today I'm going to try it on in front of you guys.
Narnia lal fanu te po I angalom le soyom ja chu Ice Princess Chi kha ang.
If you're new here, I'm getting married in the Fully de Prey necklace from Van Cleef. I saw this originally in the Van Cleef high jewelry show. Got this all out there for a few days at the
Insa mange thuami han en lete mi pakhat chuan a thi ringot hi dollar noi nga makta duai liman chuang ani chu varap thak
the spa, but they only had the ruby version in the jewelry show, so I had them custom order the all diamond version. So I just took it out of the box for the first time. I don't actually know how this, oh, got it, okay. Okay, so this is how it looks. I am absolutely obsessed and I can't wait to wear it on my wedding day. Currently by the pool and I'm gonna do a little what's in my bag. It's a multi-purpose balm.
Ngating ay Becca pang par khoi na niya. I don't understand.
I recently got these little Chanel sunnies to look mysterious.
And if you hear this, then go on your back, go on your knees, maybe shake it to the
Oh my god, y'all, I got this little Krabby Patty set at the airport and this is what I'm gonna be doing to pass time. You don't know how they taste like beforehand, so it really is a secret formula. My friend's goldfish just died, so I'm gonna do a quick little OOTD as we go to her goldfish's funeral today. To pay my respects, I have this black trench coat on.
Achian sanga khoi thi tha na hun ser man na dollar sing ni man chuang thom no in belinakal.
Black trench coat on. It is stunning. It has these cute little bows on the side. I got it last fall at Chanel in Paris. For my bag, I'm wearing this Croc Kelly. And then for my boots, I'm wearing Louboutins and then Calzedonia tights.
A house salutuga achian te sanga khoi thi vuina hak tur big thom no po nei sang thap sanga thi vuina hak tur thom no nei ania. I don't understand this type of house na.
Get ready with us to go to a Bulgari Gala. I had 2 bags of Doritos on the plane, so hopefully this.
That's what you're here for?
Okay, so this is the final look. I believe we're over 20 minutes late.
It's more like an hour.
Okay, but we're gonna do a quick little OOTD. I went for a little wet hair look. Let me know what you guys think. I never usually do this. For necklace and jewelry, it's all Bulgari. Dress is from George's Becca. It's this embroidered situation that I wanted to match the pink jewels over here. So David made us these little espresso shots because the two of us never go out past 7 p.m.
That's the truth.
I need this for energy. Cheers.
Squid Game a VIP zinga mi kha in ni shrim khang hau zinga telve tu rom takin ni an hau serem rem hle mai a pasal po hi a than po sum hli rang kha a ek ve ngai po ka ring lo a ek po nei long nope a thei lo shim a elovang zing kar thau phang thoi po a nei ka ring lo.
Sexy Sunday here, oh my goodness.
This
is so sweet. I'm not gonna interrupt.
Hi guys, we are headed off to a boat party in
An inte hey an turu rem ve hotel lobby te po ang lom le du museum ni om takani an tlak dal te hi rang ka chaka chei ang mai ni a in chung pum hi rang ka chaka chei moi ang mai ni
Sausalito. I'm gonna do a quick little outfit of the day before we head out. My dress is from Zimmerman. I was going for Easter Bunny. The bag, I was thinking this little tweed one that David got me, I think right before he proposed. And then my shoes are these vintage Chanel's. You can barely see them because the dress is so long. Hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day and I'll see y'all later. Bye.
Vintage Chanel phei khok mu po mu that thei lo turnen ama anga hausa hi chu ni la ka thian te ho phone kum khat chunga thoning ka ri char sak char charang mole engmo khovel hi du mo ka layang che engza ma nge ani ngal mai ma se poi ta ber mai chu ka hausa ve si lo hiane Next.
Took my dog's breakfast with me. Our chef freeze-dried a batch of herring fish. Our base today is going to be some scrambled eggs and wild-caught tuna. Let that marinate in some bone broth. We have a chicken heart, 2 quail eggs, He won't eat vegetables, so I'm gonna add some strawberries, freeze-dried salmon cubes. Our chef also steamed some goat milk, edible flowers. For the record, he doesn't eat like this every day. We do this a couple times a week. It looks kind of gross to me, but he loves it.
I ui nen hian in ti chin em ni. A ui hian zana lai noya le khabu chia chin chin. Bro hian ei tur chi sang som du than tur ne ni chu male. Awa in thil man tau chi vek leng hal. A ui hian private chef te zu han ne ya.
So I'm getting married at Villa Balbiano this August in Lake Como. This is probably one of the most sought after venues, and I fell in love with it the first time I saw it. This is initially sort of what I had envisioned with the trees. Here's another angle. We have the same florist, Larry. He's great. You can make the design so versatile though. This was another wedding recently. I'm currently debating though if I want 1 tree or 2 trees. I wanted to do an outdoor reception, so something like this, or than planners did last summer. I'm comfortable doing a price breakdown of my entire wedding, but in case you guys are interested in the venue, for the 3 days, 2 nights, it would be 100 to 150k.
Zan ni atan cheng mak ta duai khat chuang mo ni a. Che, what the very expensive. Lek ko mo he khovela mun man ho tam bera ngat leng hal. Ho sabi klama. In nei na raw pui kan soi ta ka chuanin thil dang kan soi tel lok man dewa mukhe sambani fapa te in nei na raw pui rap thak tek mai kha amaka maka ta duai an sen na kha mishing nu na han lom tur hi wanga in nei na te birthday te pas lom ti vel ang bak hi chu lom tur vak khiom lawa chu tianga po chuanin mani nei tlin tok khianin lom mai tur ambani te po ngatinge an tlin tok ka lom ve mek tur lo an nuwa an min nei na sen sawa an mang turul tuk wang Gio Richards an ron up le vak rungata kay mani hau Gio Richards naman an ron tipung hluaya mani tlin to ka TV may turnya mo ambani te po hi kan rang ka chak mu phak ban phak veom chun po one day gold khania Becca chu nung nuam sabik cher hle ni oh my god thil nuam zong at china poisa la chu nga turu mai sia adang po en tur la tam mai kha zong kha ni phot mai te se Becca Bloom hi mi hausa influencers dang te laka adang lamna mi shiat a hlo zol pha na le mi te ban phak lo nun nei sia mi te lo ma hlo em na chan nia lang chu tin nge kan soyang influencers dang te angin ron hausa thut lifestyle ti dang lama thil man tawan nei te an show off lantir vel dana hian shiat lutuk ma se Becca hi chuan anuna thil thleng pa ngai ve reng angin a om mia a thil nei ati lan te po in soi theina lam ai ma chuan thil pa ngai thil hlu big po ni lo ani tin nuna bet ve reng angin a treat mia antirna ani tin tlereu in bel thin anga te po Rolex sanaman tawabuna ma se ani hi chuan he ka sana ania ati satlia maya khoilai bazar vel emoa cheng za thum som nga man sana ang vel mai in asoi mia chapau pui si lo hian anuna thil thleng pa ngai ang reng khovel om dan ve reng ani ti alan tir dana chang hian hriat theya chu mai ba ka ama hi a fingin a hoi homa shing nun advice thatak tak ama poina anun pui angte a share thin boka a hausak na te da thaila chung ko in enkol na thatak noi changa seilian ani ti a hriata ma se Mizoram a chuan ron piang ta se chuan a chu ti lua big don hian ka shelawani eng po chu ni se he shing nu na hian sum of money hi chu alo poimo ve emani tiru poisa nei box si lawa lungai ai chuan poisa nei train chona tra hluam ma chak om dai zok nia ole RichTok influencer Becca Bloom chungchang kan en thei te chu kha zong kha nia comment section lama kan ngai da ne mo du soi haule cham ang o clear tu du takte inva in hun man nuam vek ule